Hey everyone, welcome to your channel name. Today I'll show you how to make money fast by selling digital products. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. We're going to break down exactly what digital products are, why they're absolute gold mines for making money fast, and the exact steps you can take to start seeing those dollar signs rolling in. So, if you're ready to unlock a new stream of income and potentially even quit your 9-to-5, buckle up and hit that like button because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's jump right in. So, you're probably wondering, what exactly are digital products? Well, they're pretty much exactly what they sound like, products that exist purely in the digital realm. Think ebooks, online courses, stock photos, website templates, the list goes on. The beauty of these products is that they're not bound by physical limitations. You don't need a warehouse to store them, a shipping company to deliver them, or worry about manufacturing costs. This makes them incredibly scalable. People are always looking for convenient, instant solutions, and digital products offer exactly that. Whether it's learning a new skill, streamlining their business, or simply getting entertained, there's a digital product out there for every niche and interest. Alright, let's talk about why digital products are a fast track to boosting your bank account. If you're looking for a way to make money quickly and efficiently, digital products might just be your golden ticket. First off, the low overhead is a game changer. Unlike physical products, you don't need to worry about manufacturing costs, storage fees, or shipping expenses. Remember how I mentioned no manufacturing or shipping costs? That means a much larger chunk of each sale goes directly into your pocket. This can significantly increase your profit margins. Second, the scalability factor is huge. With digital products, you can easily scale your business without the headaches of physical inventory. Imagine you're selling a physical product. You'd need to constantly produce more inventory to keep up with demand, which can be both time-consuming and costly. You'd need to constantly produce more inventory to keep up with demand. This involves managing stock levels, dealing with suppliers, and ensuring timely deliveries. But with digital products, you create it once, and it's available to an unlimited number of customers instantly. No need to worry about running out of stock or dealing with back orders. Third, automation is your new best friend. You can set up systems that handle everything from marketing to sales to delivery. You can set up automated email sequences, sales funnels, and delivery systems that handle the entire sales process for you. This means you can focus on creating more products or improving existing ones. Once you've put in the initial work, your digital product can practically sell itself while you focus on other things or, relax on a beach somewhere. The passive income potential is enormous. Fourth, the global reach of the internet is at your fingertips. You can sell to anyone, anywhere in the world, without the limitations of physical borders. You're not limited to selling to people in your local area. Your market is the entire world, and that opens up endless possibilities for growth and revenue. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually get started? It can feel overwhelming at first, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it much easier. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through this together. Step 1. Pick your niche. This is crucial. Your niche is the foundation of your business. You want to choose something you're passionate about or have expertise in. This passion or expertise will drive your motivation and help you stay committed. This will make the creation process more enjoyable and ensure you're providing real value to your audience. When you love what you do, it shows in your work. Step 2. Choose your product type. Think about what kind of digital product best suits your niche and skills. What kind of digital product best suits your niche and skills? Consider your strengths and what your audience needs. Will it be an ebook packed with valuable information? Ebooks are great for sharing in-depth knowledge. A comprehensive online course with video lessons. Courses can provide a more interactive learning experience. Or maybe something more visual like templates or stock photos. Visual products can be very appealing and useful. Step 3. Create your product. This is where you bring your idea to life. It's time to get creative and start building. This is where you bring your idea to life. Focus on quality and make sure your product stands out. And the good news is, you don't need fancy software or expensive equipment. You can start with what you have. There are tons of free and affordable tools available, like Canva for creating stunning visuals and Google Docs for writing your ebook. These tools make the process accessible to everyone. Step 4. Sell online. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few golden nuggets of wisdom to help you on your digital product journey. These tips are designed to give you a competitive edge and ensure that your efforts are not just productive, but also rewarding. Tip number 1. Quality over quantity. In a world saturated with digital products, it's more important than ever to stand out from the crowd. The market is flooded with options, and only the best will capture the attention of discerning customers. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that truly helps your audience. Invest time and effort into perfecting your product, and it will pay off in the long run. A great product will sell itself. When you prioritize quality, your customers will notice and appreciate the difference. Tip number 2. Offer real value. Don't just create a product for the sake of making money. Your audience can tell when something is made with genuine care and intention. Identify a problem or need in your niche and offer a solution. This approach not only builds trust but also establishes you as an authority in your field. When you genuinely help people, they're more likely to become loyal customers and recommend your products to others. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful in the digital age. Tip number 3. SEO is your friend. Understanding and utilizing search engine optimization can significantly boost your product's visibility and reach. And there you have it, your roadmap to financial freedom through the power of digital products. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what digital products are and why they're so lucrative to the exact steps you can take to start cashing in on this booming market. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Take action today. So there you have it, guys. I hope you got a ton of value out of this video and feel fired up to start creating and selling your own digital products. Remember, this is a real opportunity to build a sustainable, passive income stream and achieve financial freedom on your own terms. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.